If you're thinking about buying a home, this is what experts say that you should do before interest rates drop, which hopefully will be in the latter half of this year. So a lot of buyers are right now sitting on the sidelines waiting for rates to drop. But because of that, when rates do actually drop, what ends up happening is that there's more competition, which means higher prices. What this then can lead to is those bidding wars that we had during COVID, where rates were really low and it was impossible to get an offer accepted on a house because you were competing with 6 or 7 other people. And so while we do anticipate rates to drop towards the end of the year, we still really don't know exactly what's going to happen. It's also important to note that when rates do get cut, it doesn't necessarily mean that the mortgage rate is going to decrease as well. When those interest rates get cut, what's actually being decreased is rates on things like credit cards, auto loans, and HELOCs. But when rates do get cut, that also then can have a ripple effect into mortgage rates, which are more closely tied to the bond market. So with all of that aside, what should you be doing right now in anticipation for mortgage rates dropping and you purchasing a home, hopefully in the next 6 months? The first thing you can do is try to get pre-approved while inventory is still high. So getting pre-approved is essentially filling out an application, talking to a lender, and seeing how much home you can actually afford based on your current situation. And the good news is that you'd be being pre-approved in the high interest rates right now, so that if and when rates do drop, your affordability will increase. Another strategy is to purchase a home right now if you can afford to, and then refinance once rates drop. This is going to be really beneficial because then it helps you avoid those bidding wars and allows you to secure that home that you really love, because really what we say is that you should date the rate but marry the house. And then finally, just really get educated on what this whole mortgage process entails. So learn about things like rate buy downs, assumable mortgages, learn about how your credit score impacts your rate. Try to pay down some of that outstanding debt that you have. Make sure you're making your payments on time. All of these things are going to help you increase your credit score, and an increased credit score brings down your rate and makes you have more affordability monthly. Timing the market is nearly impossible, but if you have the right strategy and you find the right house, then we can help you find the mortgage that's going to work best for you. If you have questions about timing the market, go ahead and drop time down below. Drop your questions down below. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you out. Take care.